mga lalabs. A while ago it was the birds sound, but now I'm starting to talk. So we're walking in this beautiful street. So enjoy mga lalabs. I hope you have a very good morning today, and I know most of you are gonna cook your breakfast or lunch or dinner. It depends on where you are. So I'm just trying to capture this area so that you will see. It's quiet at the moment. It's quiet. There's some puddle because it is drizzling at the moment. So I'm trying to stabilize my hand. This is a beautiful flower, you see? It's cherry blossoms. It's a cherry blossom. That is a cherry blossom, but because it was cut out, there you go. And I'll show you this side of the road. Show you the side of the road. It's sunset, mga lalabs. What time is it now? I think it's just past 6. Here we go. And let's go and walk up. There's still puddle. Sounds like my daughter. Sounds like my daughter. But it isn't my daughter. It's not my daughter. Here we go. Let's continue walking. My bag is quite heavy, so here you go. There we go. Show you the sunset again. Sunset in this area. So that's how the sunset looks like. Go this way. We're gonna walk this way because I'm gonna show you there's a cherry blossom. There's a cherry blossom in this area. There's a cherry blossom. There's a cherry blossom. This is in white color. A while ago it was pink and this one is white. Yeah. There you go. This is how. Oh yeah. Can you hear that? It's a bird. I'm not gonna talk. Yeah. Can you hear the bird sounds? So nice and peaceful. There you go. Christmas. See you the sunset. I'm gonna show you the sunset again in this area. I can still hear the birds, but I don't think it shows here. I don't think so. There you go. Okay, mga loves. I'm gonna show you the sunset again. So this is how the sunset in this area looks like. It's beautiful. Oh, yeah. Houses. Alright mga lalabs, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna show you this one first before I sign off. Yeah, this house is here, and have a good day mga lalabs. Enjoy your day. Bye for now. Love you all.